Hi, this is Rick Pedley, and welcome to PK Safety Supply. Today we're going to be looking at the BW GasAlertMax XT2. It is one of our most popular confined space gas detectors. It has 4 sensors and is used for confined space entry, like tanks, manholes, vaults, all sorts of stuff like that. It has an internal sample draw pump and has a bunch of features which we're going to cover. So let's take a closer look at this. Okay, so let's take a look at what comes in the box. First, we get, of course, the detector itself, GasAlertMax XT2. We get the wall charger, plugs into any AC outlet. Also available as an accessory is the 12-volt charger adapter that goes in your car. And underneath, let's see what we got here. We got the calibration certificate from the factory, and we get the manual, both in hard copy and in DVD format. And we get a screwdriver with 5 sets of replacement filters for the pump, as well as a particulate filter can go on the end of the hose. And we get 2 pieces of hose, one 3 feet long, one 10 feet long, and they have the connector on the end that attaches to the detector. Now let's turn the unit on. It's a 1-button operation. I'm just going to press here. The unit starts up. The screen now tells you the firmware version. This happens to be yours. Tells you that it's a GasAlertMax XT2. Asks me to block the inlet. And this means I'm going to block this hole at the top where the air is being sucked in. And this tests the pump. Now it says unblock the inlet. It says pump OK. Next it's going to tell me the alarm levels. These are the alarms for the time-weighted average, TWA, and then the STEL. And it's going to show me the low alarms, displays all 4. Then the high alarms, once again, displays all 4. Then it runs through a self-test. It's self-test OK. It now shows me all 4 gases here, and it's auto-zeroing. This is important. Then Cal do says 150 days on this particular one, our demonstrator unit. Now all the gases are displayed. There's a little blinking heart down here in the corner, and it's going to tell you that the unit is working just fine. You hear that pump in the background. It's continuously sucking air across the sensors. And this is going to give you a reading coming through the hose. Now the hose, which we mentioned earlier, attaches right here at the top. Little connector, very positive. Comes on, comes off, very easy. You can put a wand on the end of it if you like. Another thing that's really unique about this unit, I'm going to grab the included screwdriver here, and this cover here, it covers the sensors, and the pump is sucking the air across those sensors. Really unique here is we can take this cover off. So I'm just going to back off this screw, and it's kind of interesting. I'm going to take the cover off, and when I do, magnetic switch says, ooh, there's a problem. No more cover on there. But if I press this button, it says pump off. Now the pump is off, and you'll see that the 4 sensors are now open to the air. This is now a diffusion instrument and can be worn in your belt. The pump's not running. It means the battery's going to last longer. Let's just say the pump had a problem. Well, you've still got a perfectly good running instrument. But really interesting that you can use that. Now I'm going to take this, this little piece of metal. It's a magnetic switch. I'm going to put this back on here. I don't even have to screw it in. Once again, the alarm comes on. All it wants me to do is acknowledge it. Press the button, block the inlet to test it, unblock inlet, and we're good to go. It says pump OK. You can tighten the screw or not, but you see it's back at it.